In this video, I'll walk you through what your GMass dashboard looks like, especially if you just signed up and haven't sent any campaigns yet. Ever opened GMass and thought, wait, where is everything? You're not alone. If your dashboard looks empty, don't panic because I'll explain exactly why that happens and what steps to take next. Stick around because in just a bit, I'll show you a common mistake most beginners make that keeps their dashboard completely blank even after they've already sent on email. So let's jump right in. All right, I'm inside my GMash dashboard right now, and as you can see, there's this message that says we can't find any recent campaigns, so check the previous campaigns tab. That might seem confusing if you're expecting to see activity here, but here's the thing. This shows up when you haven't sent any email campaigns yet. Your dashboard will stay empty until you start sending campaigns. So think of it as like a scoreboard waiting for the game to begin. Don't click away just yet because in a moment I'll show you where to look if you think your campaign already went out but nothing's showing. At the top right corner, you'll see the Gmail account that's currently connected to Gmash. Right now, mine is connected to n482822112 at gmail.com. Here's a quick question for you. Are you using the right Gmail account with GMass? It sounds very simple, but if you're switching between personal and business accounts, you could be looking at the wrong dashboard altogether. So take a second to double check everything. So if you're connected to the wrong Gmail, your campaigns and stats won't appear here. Let's move on to the three tabs that you can see at the top. And this part's actually pretty useful once you get the hang of it. First is the current campaigns. This is where your active sends will show up. If you're running a drip campaign or sending in batches, they'll appear right here in real time. Next is previous campaigns. That's your history log. Once a campaign finishes sending, it'll land here so you can revisit results anytime. And there's this transactional tab. This one's for one-on-one style emails like order receipts or confirming messages. Here is something most users don't realize. Even if your campaign goes out successfully, it might not show in current. It could already be moved to previous. So don't forget to check that before assuming something went wrong. All of these sections stay empty when you're new. But once you send out your first email, they'll start filling in quickly. So now you might be thinking, okay, cool. What do I do next? Here's where the real action starts. First, make sure that the GMash Chrome extension is installed. Without it, nothing works. That's like trying to drive a car with no keys. Once you've got the extension, open your Gmail inbox, not this dashboard. And this part is very important because you need to look for the red GMass button next to the regular Gmail Compose button that's on your launch pad. So from there, you can start building your campaign, connect a Google Sheet to personalize emails or manually add contacts. And if also you want to know the fastest way to send a mail merge in under 60 seconds, I'll show you how that works in a future walkthrough. Once you hit send, GMass will begin tracking everything, and the dashboard will finally come to life with real-time opens, clicks, and replies. Now, if you've already sent a campaign and still don't see anything here, don't worry because here's a quick fix. Click the reload button on the left side that pulls in the latest data from your Gmail account. And again, triple check that you're logged into the correct Gmail and that the GMass extension is active because this tiny check solves 90% of dashboard confusion issues. And that's it for this walkthrough of the GMash dashboard when you're just starting out. Don't stress it if it looks very empty at first. That's how everyone's dashboard begins. Once you send your first few emails, you'll start seeing real results. And that's when things get interesting. You'll be able to track everything from opens to clicks to replies in one place. Thank you so much for watching. And if this helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And hey, if you know something else new to GMass, share this with them and it might save them a lot of head scratching.